Today weekly wrap up is a very interesting one, and I'll be looking at the USDJPY chart, EURUSD, EURUAUD, and EURJPY. This is very important because if you look at the USDJPY chart, the market moved down, and I am expecting something great, and I'll be talking about all of these in today's weekly updates. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please help leave a like for the video for YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Also check the channel for other forex videos and technical analysis. Right here on the USDJPY chart, I talked to you about the market moving down and the market coming back to the downside in my short videos. So if you've been watching my short videos this week, you will discover that I'll be talking about markets coming back to the downside on USDJPY. And that is the exact same thing we've been seeing in the market. And right now, I am expecting that this market take a move to the upside. That means this very area of support is very important on the chart on the USDJPY. So look for buy opportunity right now on this very chart, because from this very area, market is going to begin to move to the upside. So I am looking at the market from here move to the upside. So from where the market is right now, market is going to move up. So pay attention to this very level of support. From here, market is going to find its way into this very area of 145.17 and this very area of 145.96. I am expecting that this market move upward for next week of trading. So what it means is that don't look for sell opportunity. That means buy the market. Look for buying the market in line with your strategy. This is my personal opinion. I am looking at the market moving upward into this very level of support next week. And on the EURUSD chart, which is a very important chart right here, if you look at this very level, market move all the way from here into this very area. So a little move upward, but what we see here is that there is no strength in this very movement. If you look at the way market move from here up to this point, and the market retrace, move up, could not create a new high, come back down, and finally created a new high. There is no strength in this very market moving to the upside right now. I am also expecting that this market retrace significantly downward before continuation. So what you have to do is to wait for that retracement to happen, and then you enter a buy opportunity for the market to move upward, because this market is still going to move to the upside on EURUSD. And as we enter into next week of trading, I am also going to update you on EURUSD on what to do and what I am expecting as we begin to move into the trading days. So right now, on this very pair, EURUSD, expect the market to retrace as we resume next week trading. So a retracement, first of all, into this level of support, and then looking for buy opportunity in line with your strategy would be the nice thing to do for market to move upward. So for this, buy the market after a retracement. And one thing very important on this very chart, EURAUD, is the market has been moving all the way downward. So after this very move, if you look at this chart, market has been moving all the way from here into this very point right now. So it is already a long move. And one thing that is also very significant here is that the market is having very dull momentum moving to the downside. So the bears are not really pushing as they were pushing all the way around this very point, creating new lows. The market is still creating new low, no doubt, but if you look at this very point of support, I am expecting something very important right here, that if the market break on this very level of support right here, then that means the market is going to move down. If the market break, that means a breakout to the downside with a bearish candle will make the market to continue this downward movement to the downside. So after the breakout, it will be a nice time to take a sell position. So if you do not see a breakout, don't take any sell position. Nevertheless, if the market go above this very price level, that is this very resistance, once you see a breakout above this resistance, then taking a buy opportunity will be a nice thing to do. So pay attention to these two levels on the Euro AUD chart right now. Pay attention to them. Don't buy, don't sell until we see a breakout on these various levels. A breakout here will be a nice time to sell the market, for the market to continue this downward movement, and a breakout on this level of resistance will be a nice time to buy the market, for market to move upward. And the target, if market breakout here, is this very level of resistance right here. This is where you need to pay attention to for your first target. And lastly, on EURJPY, if you look at this chart, market has been moving downward as well, all the way from this very point, and market begin to come back to the downside, creating new lows. But at this very point, the market has begun to change perspective, because market drop creates a new low, which is a new close lower than this very close, and the market move upward, creating a new high at this very point. So this is already a retracement in the market. So market retrace, we are going to see the market begin to move upward. So as we resume next week trading, expect the market to come back down a little bit, then market is going to move upward. So what you need to do is to watch for buy position, trigger buy position when it's aligned with your strategy. I don't think, in my personal opinion, that this market is going to continue any sell-off to the downside. Rather, I am beginning to look for buy opportunity on EURJPY. So a little move downward is possible, and then from this very area, market will begin to move to the upside. So looking for buy opportunity on EURJPY would be a nice thing to do right now. So on EURJPY, a recap is that you look for buy opportunity, and for Euro AUD, if the market break here, buy the market, and then if the market break on this level, will be a nice time to continue shorting, because this market is going to continue if that happens. And on Euro USD, I am expecting this market to move down a little bit before a continuation for a buy. And for USDJPY, expect this market to move upward next week of trading. So these are the various things you need to pay attention to right now on these various charts. And if you are new to this channel, please leave a like for this video for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Check the channel for other forex videos and technical analysis. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.